In today's video, we are going to cover how to create a purchase order in Xero. Start by signing into your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, move to the top navigation bar and click Purchases. From the menu there, select Purchase Orders. This opens the area where you can view existing orders and create a new one. To begin a new purchase order, click New Purchase Order. Xero will open a blank order form. The first detail to enter is the contact. Select the supplier or vendor you want to purchase from. Make sure you choose the correct contact before moving on, since the rest of the order will be linked to that supplier. Next, enter the date raised and the delivery date. The date raised shows when the order is being created, and the delivery date reflects when the goods or services are expected. You can also review the order number at this stage. If Xero has filled one in automatically, check that it matches the numbering format you want to use and edit it if needed. Below that, you can complete the optional order details. Add a reference if you want to include an internal note or related identifier. Choose the branding theme you want applied to the document if your account uses more than one format. Then confirm the currency and tax settings. These fields affect how the amounts appear on the order, so it is worth checking them before you enter line items. Now enter the products or services you are ordering. For each line, add the item if you use saved items in Xero. Then fill in the description, quantity, and price. Apply the correct tax rate to each entry where needed. As you build the order, Xero will calculate the line totals and update the overall amount based on the details you provide. If delivery information is required, add the delivery address along with the attention contact and telephone field. You can also include delivery instructions if the supplier needs them for fulfillment. This section is useful when the order is being sent to a location other than your main business address or when a specific person needs to receive it. Before finalizing anything, review the purchase order carefully. Check the contact, dates, order number, item lines, delivery details, tax settings, and total amount. This is the point to correct any missing or incorrect information so the supplier receives an accurate order. When everything looks right, click Approve to finalize the purchase order. If you are not ready to finalize it yet, click Save instead. Saving keeps the purchase order as a draft, so you can return later and finish it when the remaining details are available. Your purchase order has now been created and is ready to be sent to your supplier.